Hey everyone! So today I've got the perfect Disney-inspired spring craft for you, and they are these Mickey head-shaped flower shrubs, I guess? You can put different letters on them, make them different colors, anything you want, and they'll just look really cute in your room or office as spring decor. So let's get started. First up, you're going to need tissue paper in colors of your choice, a pot or some sort of container to put your shrubs in, a stick, I'm using a chopstick, a styrofoam ball and two smaller ones for the ears, toothpicks, some sort of pen-like tool, I'm using a pen that's run out of ink, pebbles or marbles to hold your shrub up in the pot, and finally scissors and glue. So the first thing you're going to do is take the bigger styrofoam ball and push it onto the stick. This is going to be Mickey's head. Then take a toothpick and break it in half, and use each half to stick on one of the ears. Next, take your tissue paper and start cutting it into small, evenly sized squares. So after that, stencil on the letter that you want. I'm going to start with W. And now comes the fun part. Take a piece of tissue paper and with your pen, push it into the styrofoam so that it crumples around your pen. And it just creates this really cool texture. So after I finish my letter, I'm going to fill in the rest of the spaces with the pink. And another technique that I use that you might find easier is first pushing in a bunch of holes and then filling them with glue. And that just makes it easier to push in the tissue paper, and it also helps the tissue paper stay much better. So once you've covered the whole thing in tissue paper, you're pretty much done. All you have to do is repeat with different letters and different colors if that's something you want to do. So I ended up making 4 of these because I wanted them to spell wish. Now I'm not gonna lie, it did take me a really long time to make all 4, but I did this while listening to music and audiobooks, so it was a nice relaxing project to help me de-stress. And after I got the hang of it, it became pretty easy and repetitive, but I will say that if you're gonna make 4 of them like me, don't expect it to be super quick, but do expect them to look super good and be totally worth it. And we are done! If you decide to try these, please let me know in the comments, and I would love to see how they turn out, so if you take pictures and post them on Instagram, you can tag me, My Mini Party, and I'll be able to see all your wonderful creations. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!